I think my curtains have arrived. This should be it. Or not. Oh, he's coming up. Let's see.
あきみんです。サインしてもらっていいですか？
Yeah.
はい。ここに。はい。はい。それよろしいですか？はい。ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。These are the curtains, so we are going to try to install them. We'll see. It's my first time na magkakabit ng curtains. I hope I get it right. I have the whole day anyway. So these are the curtains that we bought from Nitori last weekend. And it took, what, a week to deliver it. I hope tama ang size kasi binigay ko naman ang size sa kanila. And this is for the two windows that we have here sa lounge and then the one in the bedroom. Okay, so this is the lace curtains. So I really hope na tama ang size. This one is so cute. Look. This is for the lounge. Hindi siya blackout curtains. It can block light a little, but not too much. This one is heavier. This is for the bedroom. Ito, blackout curtain talaga siya. And from the description, it's also heat blocking and ano pa ba? Sound blocking ba? Parang ganon. Mahal to eh. Ito yung isa sa mga pinakamahal eh. Yeah, all of these curtains, I forgot how much they are. I think they all came up to 50,000 yen yata. Or close to 60 na. Mahal. Ayan, kapal. Ang ganda. It's so silky. And then, ito, it's color. Ang kulay ito. Blue, dark blue, navy blue. It should help us sleep at night. It's not like we have a problem sleeping at night. Well, at least not for me. This made in China. Label made from recycled plastic. Should be like this. Well made. Nakasama na siyang, ano tawag dito? Parang belt. Pangtali ng curtains. Again. I really like this. It's so pretty. Ano yan? This is the one for the lounge. See? So beautiful. Ang refreshing sa mata. Sana hindi siya mahirap linisin kasi white siya. But we will see. And makapal din naman siya, oh. And our lace curtains. Ta-da! So cute. Linis. Very nice. Perfect! So, tatapusin ko lang yung ginagawa ko kasi I'm doing something. And then, kakabit ko na yung curtains para pag uwi ni Matt. Ta-da! maganda. Well done. In fairness, madali lang siya. Ayan. Tapos na yung isa. You to put the second one. And madali lang siya kasi. See, meron siyang this one. I don't know what it's called. Yan ah. That. They have that. E, tapos ikakawit mo lang. Yan. Done. And in fairness, sakto yung hooks sa number of these ones. I don't know what these are. Sakto lang. I like it. Perfect. Pretty. This one. This one. Thank you. Super pretty. What? This one. Perfect. I mentioned na hindi siya blackout curtain, right? But it still somehow blocks the light. Look. All the light nasa ilalim lang. And perfect din yung length. Hindi siya sumasayad sa floor. So, hindi siya masyado madudumihan. So pretty. One more. So, one window down. And punta tayo sa kabilang window. This one. Sobrang liwanag. Kaya yan. Ang ganda! Ganda. One more. Ayan, ito. This is it. Ang ganda. In this one, is magnetic pala siya. Ayan na. Ayan. Pag pinagtabi mo sila, magnet. Ay, parang mali ako. Dapat dalawang kamay. Anyway, magnetic yan. So pretty! Hindi na kami sisinagan ng araw sa mukha sa umaga. Pwede na akong mag-sleep in talaga. Pero, may nakalimutan kami. May bintana pa pala dito. Hindi namin nabila ng curtains. So, iniisip ko blinds na lang for this. Kasi maliit lang siya. Hindi naman siya kasi laki nito eh. But, we don't know paano ikakabit yung blinds. Kasi, yung curtain rails yung meron. Hanapan natin ng paraan. It is now complete. Unti-unti nang nagkaka-shape at nagkakaroon ng kulay itong bahay namin. Ayan, ang ganda. So refreshing sa eyes. And here, ganda rin. Just this. And meron pa isa dun, pero we don't need curtains for that. Ito lang. Ay, anyway, ang ganda. I'm so happy. So pretty. And buti nilang madali siyang ikabit. Nasa labas na naman ako today. Today is, anong araw na ba? Wednesday. Hindi na maulan. Maaraw kanina, pero ngayon, hindi na masyado. So, hindi masyadong mainit. I wouldn't say it's gloomy. Kasi maliwanag pa rin. And, actually, masakit yung ulo ko. Hindi pa ako nagtitake ng headache tablets. Kasi gusto ko siyang mawala ng natural. But, hindi siya nawawala. Tapos, napansin ko, dun sa mga windows namin, yung parang grout ba yung tawag doon pag sa windows? Basta yung mga gilid-gilid. May mga molds. Tapos iniisip ko dahil ba doon kaya nagkaka-headache ako. Kasi last week si Matt naman yung may headache. Anyway, whether that's the reason or not, lumabas ako para maghanap ako ng pantanggal, panglinis noon. I saw something on TikTok, so sana makita ko. But look at this house, it's very nice. Cute, no? May ano siya, mini entrance. So nice. Nakita ko to by chance lang. Siguro mga 2 days ago. Kasi this is a different street. Tapos sabi ko lang, itatry kong daanan yung ibang street. So itong cute. Ganda. And as usual, tahimik pa rin. So, I'm planning na pupunta muna ako sa 2nd Street. It's a second-hand shop na malapit din. Maraming mga second-hand furnitures, tsaka mga second-hand clothes, bags, and whatnot. Malaki siya. Na-enjoy ko siya yesterday. Hindi lang ako nakapag-vlog. Ang dami kasing tao. Nahiya ako maglabas ng camera. After that, pupunta ulit ako sa Viva Home. Yung malaking hardware. Ito. Yan. So, this is the Super 2nd Street. Remember the last time that I took a video of this place. Closed siya. So now, it's past 12. Tama ba? Almost 12. Wala pang 12 actually. Yan, pas na siya. 10 yata yung open ito or 9. Ang daming appliances here na mga bago pa, makikinis. And I was actually looking at these mga sandwich and waffle makers. Like, is Bruno a famous brand? Kasi ang dami niya. And ang ganda na kasi it's colorful. I don't know what this is though. And mga rice cookers. Wala kaming rice cooker. So I was looking at this one actually. It's 4,900. Or this one is just 3,900. We'll see. Marami din silang mga coffee makers. So, it's perfect for Matt kasi may hit siya magkape. Ang cute nitong toffee. But I don't know if it's complete. Yan na ba siya lahat? It's 3,300. Super nice. These ones din. Oh, mura nito. Only 1,900. Koizumi. And that one, it's a little bit expensive. And ito mga heaters, for sure we're gonna need that in a couple of months. Mura din siya. Like this one is 2,900. Medyo malaki siya though. Kahit naman yung medyo mas maliit. Like this one. It's just 5,900. So many things. And the small appliances here. Mga iron. And I was looking at this. Mga pang kulot. This one. Bilhin ko na kaya. It's just 2,900. Pang iron and yung may brush. And maganda sa kanya kasi may pwedeng adjust yung settings, yung heat niya. Okay, you can curl or straight. Maganda yung color. Should I buy it na ba? Madami pa. May Dyson din. Look. Ito. This Dyson is 17,900. Ayun pa. Pataas. Yeah, meron pa. Ang daming bags. This one's cute. Cute. Ganda. And it's only, let's see, 1,600. Ganda. Ang lambot ng material. ano sa bigger bag. Ang mga overnight. 500 lang. Oh. Ganda. Hindi pala siya ganun kalaki. But it's really nice.
眠っているものきっとあるはずですよ。クローゼットの中で忘れ去られた去年の服。あるある。途中で挫折してしまったギター。長いこと使ってないキャンプ道具。それ全部セカストで売ってみませんか。でもなんだかもったいなくない。
500.
使うかもしれないし。心配。
700. Leather. Wait lang. Super small. Dami ko kasing parating na bags. $500. Or this one. Laki ng space. It's also 500. Bibiling ko ulit. Hindi siyang everyday bag. Very comfy. Malaki yung space sa loob. Sino mo? I've got a really good find.
本日も当店をご利用いただきまして誠に
Studio
ありが
clip.
とうございます。
Look, look.
当店ではお洋服、バッグ、シューズ、家電製品、スポーツ用品、アウトドア用品など皆様にお売りいただけるものをお待ちしております。
Moving pockets.
ご予約は不要。
And that's
インター
not
ネットでも
it.
大歓迎です。詳しいお取り扱いアイテムについてはお近くのスタッフまでお気軽にお声掛けください。誠にありがとうございます。引き続
900.
きごゆっくりとお買い物を。
はずです
Sa
よ。
mga clothes
ク
naman.
ローゼットの中で忘れ去られた去年の服。
あるある。
途中で挫折してしまったギター。長いこと使ってないキャンプ道具。それ全部セカストで売ってみませんか。
900.
まだ使うかもしれないし。
心配ご無用。
And
次
this
の
one.
持ち主がきっと大切に使ってくれますから。者たちを長い眠りから目覚めさせるのです。以上、セカスト店長と
900. Mga boots pa sa taas. You can spend all day here just looking for clothes. It's cute though. Cute. And it's arranged by color na din. Very organized. Ang daming cute na boots. Oh, pang baby stuff. Ang dami din. Kitchen stuff. Here. Ang dami pa. Ito pa. Mga tea sets. Dami-dami yung laman itong store na to.
セカスト店長セカスト健一です。
リユース初心者の山之内すずです。ねえ店長、
Dito mga mas mahal
何がいいんですか？
na cups and saucers. Meron pa ako dito nakita na ano eh.
いろんなものが揃っているから、
Nasa na ba yun?
出会えるかもしれない。
Vera Wang. Ito.
新しい趣味
What's Vera Wang?
すいませんです。
リユースすごい賢く買い物できちゃうんですね。物を生かして
Ay, hindi pala. Kamukha lang. May isang Vera Wang.
その通り。
Saan ba yung Vera Wang?
まだ使え
White
る
din
ものを
yun.
巡って巡って暮らしが豊か
Ah,
になる
ayun.
この気
Ito.
持ちよさ。せっかくなので
Ayan.
お客さんも店内をぐる
This
ぐる
one.
巡ってみてください。
Very pretty.
セカス
Very
ト店長
simple lang.
山之内すず
3,900.
しました。物は生きると暮らしも生きる。売る、買う、巡る。
Dalawang cups, dalawang saucers. Ito siya. And this one. This Le Creuset. Heart. May green tsaka may orange. And it's 2,900. Dalawa na yun. Ganda. 180,000 and ano yun, 65. Yun ba yung sales niya? Bago pa, 2021 lang. Ganda. For babies. It's cute. Ang baby ba to? It's only 3,300. Gusto ko to. Lalagyan ng microwave oven. Pero parang hindi kasha. Liit. Parang ito. Sira na siya daw. Eh, 1,600 lang eh. Luma na din kasi. Bakit? Ang dami ng laman. Lilinisin lang yun. Hindi naman kailangan ng bago.
当店もご利用いただきまして
Hirap mag-dispose ng gamit sa Japan.
当店ではノースフェイス
I'm okay with this. Kahit parang sira eh.
ラルフローレン
Ito.
リーバイス
Kahit, ayun,
カー
may
ドな
ganito.
どのメンズブランド
For 1,600.
ユナイテッドアローズ一世三宅スナイデルイエナザラなどのレディースブランドを買い取り募集中です人気のあるブラ
Computer
ンドは
table.
本当に
May
買い取り
konti
を出しており
din
ます
damage. This one.
その他ルイ・ヴィトングッチ
But it's
チャ
okay.
ングプラダなどの高級ブ
May
ランド
bookcase
は
lang kasama. For
18金などの金属の買い取りに参加しております詳しい内容につきましてはお近くのスタッフまで
2,900 lang. This one. I quite like this table. 2,300. And wala, ito lang yung damage niya. Konting ano. What discuss. Or this one. Also 2,300. Mabubuksan to. Ah. Oh, 2,300. 1,300 lang yan. And this one for the kitchen. 3,900. I don't know what this is for though. Bago pa. Ganda. Oh, ito pa. Ang dami. Wala nga lang kung ano. Paano bubuksan? Ah, okay. Ah, okay. Ang dami. So, binili ko na. Dito sa Japan. Ito magbabag lahat ng pinamili. We're finished. Let's go to... Saan na ako pupunta? Dito na dadaan. Para hindi masyadong mainit. I'm gonna go to... I forgot. Viva Home. Nakarating na ako dito because I want to see that. Oh, pwede nang tumawid. Ah, new truck. So this is basically the landmark for where we are. Here. My hotel na malapit, Sendai Hills Hotel. And then this one, I don't know what this is called. We call it the big lady or the fat lady. But it's got a name, of course. It's in Japanese, so I don't really remember. It's hard to remember if it's in a language you don't understand. I don't know saan ako pwedeng dumaan. Let's try walking here. So, this is our landmark. Every time na we get lost or medyo napapalayo na, we can find our way back just by looking at this Buddha. So, depending on the way she's facing, we basically know where we are. Okay, so pwede akong dumaan dun. Ang laki niya, no? Even from our window, we can see her. Pero like the back of her head na lang. Like from the shoulders to the head. Ayun na yung avail. So pwede akong dumaan here. Ito yata yung daang tao. May mga parang tourists sa loob. So tourists come here for this. Because that's really astounding. Ang laki! Sobra. Ayun, kita ko ng mga tourists. So, sabi nila, it's a tourist spot daw. Pero hindi kasi ako nagagawi dito sa area na to. So, I haven't really seen any other tourists. Ngayon lang ako dumaan dito. Ayan. And, it's not crowded pa rin naman. So, maybe one day, we'll go check this out. And pumasok sila sa loob. Pwede nga pumasok sa loob. And they have this thing. I don't know what this thing is. Huge. Huge. To give you an idea of how big it is. It's monstrous. Ano siya, nasa likod siya. Ito yung gusto kong puntahan, yung Avail na shop. But first, I want to see what this is. Ang cute niya. What are they selling? Medyo nagugutom na ako. What's this? It's called... Oh! Crepe shop. It's not really what I want. But, it's got... Oh! Okay. So, no, it's not really the time for this. I don't feel like eating crepe and ice cream. Maybe later or some other day. It's really cute. Look, crepe shop, Sunny's. Let's go to Avail. Tapos na ako. Hindi na ako nag-video dun sa department store, yung Avail. At saka na napunta ako sa Viva Home kasi medyo nakapagod na rin ako. And nagugutom ako. Dumaan din ako 7-Eleven. Bumili lang ako ng onigiri kasi past 2 na maya-maya dinner na. Something lang na nakatanggal ng gutom. Dami kong dala. Every time nalalabas ako, napapadami yung bili ko. Hindi ko mapigilang magbili-bili. Bumili pala ako ng doormat. Tada! So cute. It's just... Magkano ba to? 750. Okay. Hindi. Wala mas malaki. Okay. Ang liit pala. But, it's okay. Just use it first. And then, go inside.